Wow, 27 years in the making. He's doing great. All right, okay. How about a cartoon character? How about Bugs Bunny? Hey, take a look at this nice-looking group we have here. What do you think? I agree. PJ, that was awesome. I don't say this to all my birds, but I love you.
I don't blame you.
What?
I don't blame you.
I don't blame you. How rude. You just blamed me for not getting him in the show sooner. All right. PJ's awesome. All right, let's try whistling I Left My Heart in San Francisco. Or no, I Love You. Oh, no, we did that. Whistle it. Not sing. I don't know the lines. Whistle I Left My Heart. No, whistle. That would be the short version. I'm corrected. That was the short version. Okay, now, this old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb. A duet, how about that? And how about How Much Is That Doggy in the Window? Y'all know it? How much is that dog? Well, that's important to know if you're looking for a dog. How about I Left My Heart in San Francisco? You didn't even put a little accent on it. Cisco. Poco, you better be worried he's going to take your job. Come on, I don't believe this.